In today's video, I will be doing a wash and go for the first time on my thin, fine hair.
Welcome to the Living Irving channel. Welcome to the Living Irving channel. This is for the mature women out here. I see you doing your thing.
First, I'm going in with my Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore shampoo and just shampooing my hair. It's been a while since I had a shampoo. My hair was feeling very dry, so I'm going in with this Shea Moisture Hydration Mask. Now, this mask is great if you can sit under the dryer for 20 minutes, but I didn't have time, so I just put a shower cap on and let it sit on for 20 minutes. So next, I'm going in with one of my favorite products. This is a keratin hair serum. It detangles, it helps with frizz, and it locks in and seals a lot of moisture in my hair. I love this stuff. When my hair's wet, I love to hydrate my hair with this before I add any additional products. This just gives my hair the hydration that it needs for the week. And now I'm going in with the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm locking in some extra hydration with my leave-in conditioner, and my hair is feeling super refreshed and hydrated today. I love how my curls are popping and how my hair is feeling. It really feels really good. So now I'm just putting on my shower cap and getting ready for today. And so my hair is somewhat dry. It's a little damp. And I don't like to go in and put gel on my hair when it's super wet because the shrinkage gets way worse. So what I'm doing is just taking my fingers and putting the gel into my hair. And then I'm taking my wide tooth comb and just combing it through to make sure that I'm getting all the hairs underneath and getting every strand saturated with the gel. When I say saturated, not overly saturated, but just saturating every strand. So I use a little product at a time, and I will build as necessary. Because my hair is thin and fine, I don't like to put too much product in my hair. So I'm pretty satisfied with this amount. And as you can see, it's not dripping wet. It's not white like you see the gel, how it has that white cast. I'm just using a little amount of product. I have a side part, and I'm just trying to figure out how I want to wear my wash and goes. Being that this is my first time, I'm just trying to figure out what hairstyle is going to look best on me. So I think the side part looks pretty cute today. So we're going to go with that. And yeah, just go ahead and just shingle through as much gel as possible until you get your hair, all saturated with the gel, and then just let it air dry. My husband and I went out to dinner, and so the shrinkage did get really real, but after it dried, we got back from dinner, I went ahead and I picked it out. This is the back right now, so it's looking a little off. Final thoughts is it did give me some volume, some definition, some curl definition, but as it's drying, and it's still slightly damp, but it's pretty dry, it started flaking right up in here really bad. Like literally I could see the white dried gel. Now I did oil my hair very well and moisturize it. I left leave-in conditioner in it, and it was pretty flaky. So I don't think I'll be using this gel for another wash and go, but what I'll do is use this just for like ponytails, temporary things that I'm slicking my hair back. I really love using it for like ponytails or slicking my hair down and cornrows and things like that. It does a good job with holding things down, and it also has a great shine and a great slip, and it's really slick. So I like it for that, but for wash and go, that'll be a no for me. So leave me your thoughts. Let me know if you've used this gel and did you have the same issues, or what am I doing wrong, or what I can correct. I'd really appreciate your feedback. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
What else could you ask for? Baby, I'm a hot, sexy mom.